Hello everyone, I'm really delighted to be here in the Open edX Conference 2023. My name is Shillo. I'm the Learning Technology Lead of MidLink, and we are having a very close relationship with AWS to support Open edX in our in Africa and Middle East region. I'm also the Chief Architect of Campus IL, the National Learning Platform of Israel. And we are here with Stefania, which is a great honor. And Stefania, can you introduce yourself in a few words?
Yeah, sure. Thank you for the invitation. I'm Stefania Trabucchi, Managing Director in Abstract Technology, a service provider, an Open edX service provider in Europe.
Nice that you are here. Stefania, so we want to discuss a little bit about learning in corporates and how Open edX supports learning in corporates. And it will be great if you can share some examples from Europe, how that happens and how corporates using Open edX for learning.
Oh yeah, that's a very good question regarding corporate, because what we are facing in Open edX is definitely the fact that also corporates are selecting more and more open source technology. So what does it mean? So if corporate in the past tends to apply for a commercial solution, now they are discovering that open source is the challenge. So this is the first selection criteria that corporates are adopting. The second criteria is definitely the fact that in corporate, in the selection criteria, they want to have a modern solution. Open edX is offering a modern solution, easy and ready to use. Open edX is a solution that allows authors as an authoring tool built in. It allows authors to immediately create courses in Open edX. So this is the second criteria. And the third, one of the biggest criteria that I assume is important for corporate, is customization. So customization means that corporates always have particular needs in course creation maybe, or one important thing is the integration with existing systems. So each corporate have a CRM in place, a DMS in place. So any kind of ecosystem inside a corporate need to be integrated. And this is easily to do if you have open source solution.
Yes. That's great, and we also noticed that lots of corporates are going to the open source fields and using Open edX as their learning platform.
One other question that it's popped up from my side is integration means also deployment, okay? So, and can you help us in that sense to explain how deployment for Open edX are changing, and what are the solutions on the market that also corporate can select to deploy Open edX?
Yes, so I think that one of the challenges that learning corporates are facing is an SLA and having their learning platform and every other platform stable and always on. And for that, we are using AWS as the cloud solution and the infrastructure. And Open edX just announced that they are using Tutor as a Docker solution and containerized solution for their learning platform. So as the infrastructure guys, the ones that needs to keep the platform up, we are very glad about this approach. And on top of that, we are also providing monitoring services to be sure that the resources are always up. And if something happens, we are fixing it immediately without the user notice. And we are also providing business continuity when something wrong has happened. So we want the platform to know how to recover itself. So I think that the application layer is really important, and the use cases are important when you are talking about learning, but you need to gain trust of the system and this is where the infrastructure came to play. So I think that combination of both of us can provide a really good solution for corporates and learning solutions for corporates. And lucky enough, edX supports that, and it's open source, so it's always evolving.
I agree. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Stefania. Always a pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you.